In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trade on IC markets. We'll be using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, since they're the most common platforms for IC markets clients. Start by launching your platform and making sure you're logged into your trading account. You can confirm you're connected by looking at the status in the lower right corner. If you see prices updating on the charts and no connection errors, you're good to go. Next, choose the currency pair you want to trade. On the left side of the platform, you'll find the Market Watch window. This lists instruments like EURUSD or GBPUSD. When you've decided on a pair, double-click it to open the order window. If you prefer, you can also right-click the symbol and select New Order, or simply press F9 as a shortcut. In the order window, set up your trade details. Start with volume, which is your lot size. For beginners, 0.01 is a common starting point because it keeps risk small. Then consider adding a stop loss to limit your potential loss and a take profit to automatically lock in gains if price hits your target. These are optional, but highly recommended for risk control. Take a moment to check that your levels make sense with the current chart and your plan. Now, decide on direction. Click Buy if you believe the price will rise, or sell if you expect it to fall. As long as you have sufficient funds and margin, your trade will execute instantly at the current market price. To keep track of your position, go to the Trade tab at the bottom of the platform. Here you can see your open positions, current profit or loss, and key details like price, volume, and any stop loss or take profit you set. Monitoring this tab helps you stay aware of how the trade is performing as the market moves. When you're ready to exit, right-click the open trade and select Close Order, then Confirm. This will finalize the result and update your account balance accordingly. If you want a faster way to enter trades, you can enable one-click trading. Once it's turned on, you'll be able to place buy or sell orders directly from the chart with a single click, which can be especially helpful for scalping or quick market moves. A few important tips before we wrap up. Start with a small lot size like 0.01. Always use a stop loss to manage risk, and make sure you fully understand how leverage affects both potential profit and potential loss. Trade carefully and stay disciplined.